hello everyone. Let me get you out of there. Now, this is much better. It's a little bit past noon. I had a very productive morning today. I answered my emails, worked on a project for work, did a couple of chores, for example, cleaning this sofa because my cat really likes to sleep on it, and therefore I have to clean his fur off it from time to time. What else? I also did a quick tidy up because honestly I absolutely hate it when things are out of place. So in order for this not to happen, I make sure to go through each room a couple of times a week and pick things up, put them where they belong, adjust things, and just make everything look nice and neat. It makes me feel good actually to be in a nice, clean and organized space. So this is just something that I find very important. But what else? Today is gonna be a pretty busy day. It has been busy already. I am planning to work some more after lunch. It's almost lunchtime. I'm vlogging today. It's quite cloudy actually, and the light isn't all that great. I had to bring let me show you, the shade in my window almost all the way up because otherwise it's like really dark in here. But this weather will not stop me from vlogging today, so fasten your seat belts and get ready to join me for the day. Amazon delivered this yesterday. It is a tripod for this camera that I'm currently filming on. It's supposed to be really good, and I'm super excited to start using it today. So let's unpack it. I popped you on the pillow over there, so let's open it up. Okay, here goes the tripod itself. It's very nicely packed, I like it. So it's supposed to be the one that like bends easily and you can sort of put it on trees and things like that. Okay, so the camera is on. I'm gonna be using this tripod today throughout the day. I'm really excited about it. Okay, now I'm filming with the tripod. I already can feel the difference because my head actually fits in the frame fully now, which is really nice, and it feels like a really nice tripod too, because my very first tripod that I got for my DSLR, honestly, it's really bad. Overall it works, but sometimes it has troubles holding the weight of my camera in place, which results in a crooked picture, and I don't really like it. So if you are curious, I've been filming most of my videos on this channel by putting my camera on a little dining table, on a little folding dining table, and it works much better than that tripod in question. This one is really nice. I'm really excited to use it. I will just pick up all that stuff, all those boxes from my sofa, and I will set it aside to take it to the recycling bin. Yeah, I think that I will keep instructions for the time being. I will put this one aside. Also, there has been an accident involving this jacket and my earbuds. Actually, the funny thing is that my husband calls this a robe because it does kind of look like a robe in a way, just because of the way it's made and because of the material. But when I bought it, it was called a jacket, so this is what I prefer to call it, so that you know. I absolutely love it. It keeps me warm and I feel very snug wearing it. I wear it almost every day. It has two pockets, obviously, and I hardly ever use those. But last week I put my earbuds in this one and I forgot about them because I don't really use my earbuds all that often, maybe once in 2 weeks. So I put them in the pocket and I forgot about them. You will probably guess what happens next. I put this jacket for a wash and then I dried it in a dryer. After I took it out all nice, washed and dry, and I put it on, I realized that there is something in one of the pockets, and guess what that was? My earbuds. Let me show you what they look like at the moment. So basically, this is what they look like after washing and drying. They are probably entitled now to be called the cleanest earbuds ever, because whoever washes their earbuds? I don't think that anyone does it. Yeah, they are pretty clean, but I'm gonna try and untangle these, and then I'll see if they still work. If they don't, it's okay, because they actually belong to my older iPhone that I don't use anymore. So I have a pair of new earbuds that came along with my iPhone 11. So if these don't work, which I'm pretty sure they don't, then I will use the new pair. I'm really curious to see if they actually work or not. I think I'm making progress here, guys. I've just realized that my cat is sleeping under the dresser. Let me show you. He looks so cute over there. He actually discovered that spot under the dresser about 3 weeks ago, and he has been coming there on a regular basis for the last 2 weeks, I think. And the funny thing is that I never see him there, and I only notice him whenever he yawns. Because when he yawns, he sort of makes this sound with his teeth that I can hear, obviously. Here's the little guy. There you are, baby cat. But back to my earbuds business. Okay, I think that now I can test it. Let's try it. Oh my god, it works. It actually works, you guys. Unbelievable. Modern technology. Well, maybe I didn't know something, but I was 100% sure, but okay, 95% sure that earbuds will not work after being fully washed in the washer and then dried in the dryer, but they do work. It never happened to me before. I have never washed a pair of earbuds previously until this, but yeah, now I know that apparently they function, and the sound was great too. So yeah, wow. You know, when I used to work at the office and I had to go to work every day, I listened to music on my way to work and then on my way back, and my earbuds were breaking every 3 to 6 months, I think. They would just develop some kind of problem, and I would have to buy another pair. But wow, this guy survived the washing and drying. I still can't believe it. It's kind of crazy to me that they usually break when you use them non-stop, and then they survive when you wash and dry them. Unbelievable. By the way, please don't take it as a recommendation to wash your earbuds or headphones in your washing machine and then dry them in the electric dryer. It was an accident. Don't try to repeat it. It is not something that you should do on purpose. And also, always check your pockets before putting something for a wash, because this is what happens when you don't. Also, I have just realized that I was supposed to say tangled, not tingled, so yeah, this is something that happens when English isn't your first language. But meanwhile, these have been officially untangled, and I'm ready to proceed with my day. Okay, so I'm gonna put the cleanest earbuds ever in my drawer, and I'm gonna have lunch because I'm getting hungry and it's time to have lunch. So for lunch today, I'm having a bunch of green lentils because good carbs is equal good energy, a tiny bit of chicken, some sauerkraut, some salad that consists of cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and some white radish, and I topped it with these gigantic blueberries. Kroger's didn't have the regular size last time we went grocery shopping, so I picked up these huge ones, and they really look gigantic. So while I'm having lunch, I'm gonna be watching Firefly Lane. It's a show on Netflix. I have been watching it for the past 3 weeks, I think, and I have to say that I really like it. I really like the friendship between the two main characters, and if you watched it, you know what I mean. I think that it is a precious thing to have a friendship of that kind. It's really rare. So yeah, I really like it, and I really sympathize with both characters. I'm on my way downstairs into the kitchen because I'm planning to start making dinner right now. Did I say that it's about 3:30 p.m.? I prefer to make dinner in the afternoon rather than at night. It's just easier for me. I don't really like to be in the kitchen after 6 p.m. This is time when I want to relax instead of cooking something. Therefore, I prefer to cook at about 4 p.m. and it really works for me. So today I'm planning to make burritos, and for that I will need to make refried beans. I'm going to make my own refried beans. I know that it's much easier to buy a can of refried beans, I know, but I honestly don't think that they're good for you, and I think that homemade refried beans will be much better health-wise and probably much tastier as well. So I have my pinto beans and brown rice soaking here. I always soak beans and grains. I know that it looks like a lot, and it is a lot. It's 2 cups of beans and 2 cups of rice, but I always prefer to make more rather than less, so I have leftovers. So now I'm going to boil both. So first of all, I'm going to rinse the beans, and then I will fill the pot with water and put it on the stove. And now I'm gonna do the same with rice. The least favorite thing of mine is the cleanup. Okay, so both beans and rice are on the stove. I actually received an order from the Kooples last weekend, and I'm super excited to share it with you, so I thought that while my beans and rice are cooking, I will try it on and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so I have unpacked that order already. Oh my god, guys, look at this material. Look at this gorgeous blazer, guys. It's so beautiful. I had my eyes on it for at least 6 months before I purchased it. I was waiting for it to go on sale, and I was hoping that it will not get sold out because, I mean, it's simply gorgeous. I don't know how it didn't get completely sold out, but I'm very happy that it didn't because I managed to get it. I got this one with a really big discount, which I'm super happy about because the full price of this blazer is $515. This is what it says on the price tag, and I got it for, wait for it, $140. I don't remember the exact price, but it was somewhere around $140, which is a really big discount, and I can't believe that I got this amazing blazer for such a low price. So all that wait was totally worth it. Even though I will not be able to wear this blazer for months to come because it's now March and I'm in Texas, which means that the cold weather is way behind us, and I will have to wait till at least November to be able to wear this one comfortably, but it is totally okay. I knew that this is what would happen. I don't mind, because if I wouldn't get it, I know that I would regret it for sure. It happened to me a couple of times. I remember last year I really liked a skirt from Mage. It got sold out in my size so quickly, and you know what? I still regret that I didn't manage to get my hands on it because it was so beautiful. Therefore, I'm really excited about this blazer. I'm super happy that I managed to get it with such a big discount. It reminds me of Chanel blazers in a way, probably because of this shimmer and the material they used for this one. It's just so beautiful. I can't get over how beautiful it is. So the next thing that I got is this pair of jeans. It's a pretty basic pair of jeans. It's high-waisted and cropped, but it comes along with this belt, which is pretty great, because usually when you shop for something online and you see that it's styled with the belt, whatever it is, the belt usually doesn't come along with your purchase, right? But that wasn't the case with these jeans. I think I triple checked it if it comes with or without the belt, just not to get my hopes up. Luckily it came with the belt, which is a really nice touch, I think, because this belt looks pretty nice and I can use it for my other jeans as well. not only for this pair. These jeans were also on sale. The original price of them was $245 and I got them for about $80, I think, which is a pretty good deal for the Kooples. Yeah, it's a pretty big discount, not to mention that they come with the belt. I actually got these jeans specifically to wear with this shirt that my husband got me for our wedding anniversary this year. I absolutely love this shirt, but I didn't have anything to wear it with, therefore I purchased these jeans. So I'm super excited to try both the shirt and the jeans together, but first I will check on the beans and the rice, and then I will show you guys what it looks like together. Wow, they look so good together. Honestly, I didn't even expect it to look that well. I knew that it will look good, but not that good. I'm so happy. And speaking of these jeans, they have such a flattering fit as well. By the way, if you want to know my full opinion on the Kooples, their quality and the high price tag, I will link a video in the description down below where I talk just about that. But for now, I'm super excited with everything I tried on today. It looks absolutely amazing and I can't wait to wear it.